Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Hello ma'am. Hope you guys have a wonderful and beautiful day. My name is Jourast Rhadiq. I'm from ICT2 with my student ID 104012340029. So today I'm going to do the econometric analysis with the data given for the final assignment. So here we have two data. The first one is X, which is the independent data to represent the oil prices, and also Y, the dependent variable that represent the gold price. And we want to see here if there's any relationship between both of them, both of the data. Okay, so I use SPSS here. So we're gonna write, for example, gold prices. Sorry. And here, oil prices. Right. Want to make no decimal, so make it 0. Done. And we move the data from here to SPSS. We do the oil prices first. Oil prices. And we do the gold prices. Nice. Right. The first one, we're going to do descriptive analysis or descriptive statistic. What we're going to do is press analyze descriptive statistic, go to descriptives, and we'll move both of them to the variable box, and we option, make sure you want to check mean, standard deviation, minimum, maximum, and if you want to do variance, it's up to you. It's okay. Continue and press OK. So here we have the mean or the average. So this is the average price of gold, which is 3,349, and the oil price average is $82.83. And this is the minimum and maximum of the prices. And here we have standard deviation. So for the gold price, they have 1,184, meaning that they fluctuate really substantially, which is really pretty hard. And compared to the oil prices with the standard deviation of 10.5, meaning that they have moderate fluctuation in their prices. Right. Next one, we're going to do a scatter plot. So we want to see the relationship between both of them, both of the data. So we choose, graphs, legacy dialogues, and choose here scatter. We just do simple scatter and divide. We're going to put the gold price to the dependent, which is y-axis, and oil prices to independent, x-axis, right? So press OK. You there generate the graphs. So if you see here, they have positive relationship, right? For the gold prices and oil prices, meaning that every time oil prices up, gold prices follows, goes up, follows the oil prices. But here we don't have a perfect positive relationship because there is some dots here that doesn't follow the line, meaning that they have moderate positive relationship. Next one, we're going to do Pearson correlation. What we're going to do is first analyze and then choose correlate and bivariate. Right, that one. I'm going to put all of those to the variables box and make sure you check Pearson and two-tailed, right? For this one, you make sure you want to leave as it is and press OK. Right, here we have the Pearson correlation, which is 0.405, which is a positive, meaning they have a positive correlation between the gold prices and oil prices. Next one, we're going to do the linear regression. This one, regression linear. And this is the simple linear regression because we only have one x. I'm going to put gold prices to dependent, y-axis and oil prices to independent. And then we press statistic, make sure, check all these three oil field estimates and confidence intervals, continue. And for the plots, you want to make sure the spread, you put it here, the axis, and then you rest it, you put it here, the y-axis, right? Wait, sorry, nah, they want. And then you press continue and press OK. Here, we have the oil prices as the independent and gold prices as the dependent. And we see here the correlation, the R, 0.405, positive, they are positive correlation, meaning, and this is the R square. The number is 0.164, meaning 16.4%. What it means is that they have 16.4% variation of the gold prices can be explained by the changes of oil prices, meaning only 16% of gold prices changes can explain by oil. For the rest, which is 83.6, they have the other factors, right? And this is the ANOVA with the H null or H null HO, which is the oil prices does not significantly affect gold prices, and the H alternative or H1, oil price significantly affect the gold price. So since the sigma is 0.02, which is less than 0.05 p value, the p value, which is they reject the H null, which is they accept the H alternative that stated oil price significantly affects gold price. And if we see, next one is coefficient. So we focus on this one, right? The oil prices coefficient is 45.3696, or make it 45.4, meaning that every $1 changes in oil price, it affects $45.4 in the gold price, meaning $1 increase for oil, approximately they will gold price expected to rise for 45.4 US dollar. This is for the residual graphs. If you see here, a lot of dots is in this zero area, meaning they don't, they shown, they doesn't shown a strong evidence of heteroscedasticity. And that's all. So for the conclusion, I will conclude that they have moderate, positive, and also statistically significant relationship between the oil prices and gold prices. We can see here for example here, the correlation for the person is 0.4, meaning positive. They have positive, moderately positive. And also we can see here, right? The beta is 45.4, meaning every $1 increase of oil price, they expected gold price to increase $45.4. But if you see the R square, they only 0.164, meaning only 60% of the gold prices changes affected by oil prices. So yeah, that's all from me. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.